Use the Recorded TV screen to view a list of programs that are scheduled to be recorded. Press Recorded TV. The Recorded TV screen appears. Press the right arrow button to highlight Scheduled on the horizontal menu bar. The Recorded TV screen now lists all upcoming recordings in the order in which they will be recorded. Use the arrow buttons or CHPG to scroll through the list. You can view a list of the series that you have scheduled to record. Use the right arrow button to highlight Series on the horizontal menu bar. The Recorded TV screen lists the series scheduled to record. Use the arrow buttons or CHPG to scroll through the list. After you have recorded a program, you can watch it whenever you want. Press Recorded TV. The Recorded TV screen lists your available recordings by date, from the most recently recorded programs to the oldest. Highlight the recorded show that you want to watch and press OK. The Program Info screen appears. In the Program Info screen, highlight Play and press OK to play the recording from the beginning. If you stopped watching the recorded program and want to begin watching it again from where you left off, highlight Resume Play and press OK. If you stopped watching the recorded program and want to start over again, highlight Start Over and press OK. You can control Recorded TV using the same playback control buttons that you use to pause, rewind, and fast-forward video-on-demand programs. A program you record remains in your Recorded TV library until you erase it or until the set-top box erases old recordings to make space for new recordings, which you can determine for yourself. You can erase a recorded program manually to make room for new recordings. Press Recorded TV. Highlight the recorded program you want to erase and press OK. The Program Info screen appears. Highlight Erase and press OK. A confirmation message appears. Highlight Erase again and press OK. This erases the program.